Yeah, welcome back to the channel, guys. Yeah, out here today on the road. Yeah, man. So I done downtown, but today the foot them I deal with whatever they put them today. You know, find out so and I tire them they farm boy so I take a chance so I go get it, replace and thing, and then now after I do that, look I'm running again. So the thing come down, you know, one day we have to be going. Alright, so right now, we are the ATM, Independent City, we are NCB ATM. Grab a little cash and then jump on the road, you know. Yeah, man, so big up all the viewers and big up all the subscribers, yeah. Get a little step in, you know. Nobody can guess and tell me how much that measure. So right about now, I go get a taxi right now. Well, not a taxi. I want to catch one of the JOTC bus them. You know, a long time I jump on one of the JOTC bus them. So one of them I catch for go downtown. Yeah. If a chichi bus come still maybe I go in it, but when I JOTC them I head for them one. So just there upon me we are walk I go to the bus stop. Yeah. You don't know more while it's good for us walk out and get exercise more than every time it's all about driving. I thought time without driving just tired more while too, you know. Yeah, man. But they up on the street, yeah. Some just want to say big up all the viewers and big up all the subscribers them watching from near and far. Remember to like up the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Right now, I tell you say I'm not really used to walk on video. So you know, like do the regular vlog thing, you know. I'm kind of a little bit shy, but I try to kind of get in that little vibe there, you know. Yeah, man, I try my best to learn to walk in a public and do what I got to do. What you all think? Yeah, man, so big up on a nice clean self and stay locked in and clocked in. No, say, I go cross the road right here. Right here, so you can walk to go over Cayman's. That's over which part them do horse racing. Yeah. Cayman's park over there, so I want to cross the road right now. But you know, so you have to proceed safely because why? I never see none of them vehicle lie down in a hospital. So be safe and sound and thing. Cross the road safely. And chuck up come out there, so. Right, so I don't see the top bus stop in about. I use the one down there, so still. Yeah, I mean, I say cab thing are kind of weird still, you know, but I just feel like, you know, grab one a cab today. Yeah, man, so they up on the road, you know, walk more Independent City side right now. So, there. I don't see none of the bus them yet, you know. So downtown bus them are number 3, number 12. Yeah, so I would rather catch a number 12 right now because the 3 I go in a Waterford. Yeah, so that's a little delay. Even though it don't matter to me still, but I would rather that still. Yeah, man, big up yourself, man, bless it. Yeah, man. Yeah, so bus a come, I'm not sure a number, but anyone of them a come from it, I go downtown. I in them I go. And thing. Yeah. So I'm going to stay locked in and clocked in. Yeah man, just like up the video. Let me know if you guys like the vlogging idea, you know, the walk and talk and blah blah blah. Yeah. If reach at the bus stop so I can catch the bus, because you know, say the bus not gonna stop, you know. If you're not at the bus stop, the bus not stop. Only the bus stop alone it will stop. So the bus thing going on like country where you can find down bus anywhere you're there. And taxi. The bus thing are diligent, you know. So they work. Reach still an hour though. See our number bus is now. Turn up our yet. See? A number 3. Right now, current situation so right now, they are in a road and now man just bomb rush me and sell me skillion and time to get a fit $100, so I just grab that already and things. Yeah man, so yeah, I walk through. Wow, they hot. Well, let me tell, it's not so hot. Alright, so this is no coronation market. This is a curry. I'm going to go through. Naja. That's a 150 for jelly. Can I get one of them, please? So, something I can. You see me? No, you know, it's on TikTok or YouTube right now. I get 2 jelly. You see? That is it, man.
Whether YouTube blog or channel.
What go on, Dalvy? It's sweet, though. I try to get some of it turn up way. It's sweet, man. That one is sweet. What's it in a 2 for me there? I say, but it's not 2 and 2 to go, yeah? Yeah, so them sweet, I go buy 2 if you bring with me. So I do them. So right now, shall I line up the next one for me?
And okra 100.
No, get some okra now. Remember that I Stacy at that boss say she not the part of video today.
Yeah, because I'm going to walk up and not today.
Oh, come Mayo. Stacy said she no want to go for no video today. I want to her.
Nothing wrong.
Alright.
Nah.
How much we on here? One a biggie man?
A 500. No, they just some big, so bigger than so. Yeah, man.
How much you say for your how much for your pound?
5. $700 over master, me I say 5. Because I'm broke and want money. And to all this, yeah, my auntie all this people want money.
Yes. That's Stacy.
You can't give me a money charge, so them say.
Anyways, we have buy some onion. She had say a 7 bill sweet and she just let them go for 5. So I could buy a pound then. How the onion come from, Stacy? Mexico? How much your sweet potato? Oh. Big though.
Them big and nice are yellow.
Big and nice and yellow belly them. I don't really what buy them a big one. Mix them up. Beg me a money. No money. They have money myself. Eh? No, not right now. I go to Portmore after. But did they have Portmore one? Yeah. See how much is that? You know some coming here, I see you? How when? Not Thursday gone, but last Thursday before. You know they every Thursday? Oh. Alright, I tell you say I don't deal with the something they have for them.
have melons, me have sweet.
You want to send me foreign goods, I don't want no foreign goods, man. Sweet melon?
Yeah.
We can't find one, we can't find one, we got 2 pounds.
I'm a pass at 2 pounds.
2 pound melon, where they?
Oh, you want one for small one?
Yeah, one can go 2 pounds.
5 pounds.
5 pounds, man. No, I cut no melon here no, man. I don't know only for money, Stacy. Check me up and tell me how much to go. Let me see. $800. I have to spend with caution, you know. Yeah. You have change? So you see no money. Oh, God. Outside, you know. Your friend was said the pumpkin was there right there, so I see him out for the main, you know. Yeah. Yeah, the man of Virgin again. Oh. I see him, man, and thing, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, so fully active. They are supporting movement, you know. Get some stuff in our market.
$500 for onion, you can't give me a bite. Them not big like Bob Marley funeral, me not have nothing.
Alright, now, much bonus here? Alright, 4 pounds. Alright, give me it then. I just want a whole pumpkin. Stacy? Yeah, to pray. Yeah, man, so I walk out there. Walk it down. Just remember, say I'm not driving, but they drive. Just remember, say I'm not driving, but I'm going to go out. I have to go walking. But exercise is good. I'm down, man. I sleep on the wrong side last night. Most sleep on the wrong side last night. Alright, so right about now, I drive, go check on the tire now. Oh. Traffic kinda take time and step up here now. Yeah, man, so right now I go Kings. Yeah. In a Portmore. Yeah, man. So I go other parts place. Right now, we check on the tire. So I get the tire up here. So once the price reasonable, guy, you know, I have to work with it what reasonable still. But one thing I like with them still, they will give you a discount. So don't be afraid to ask for discount. When you don't want something, ask for discount. Ask for no discount. Right. So turn right round, you know. Hey, you just pull over for me, so take a U-turn right just so now. straight to Auto King. Reach Auto King right now. And thing. I'm gonna go in and get them up to get. So. This I tire. Let me change. I'm going to say. Yeah,
you know your stuff, you know.
I don't really know no stuff, man.
You know your stuff.
That number they ask me for.
Yeah. So most time when people come, we ask them for the size. That you look right here, at 175. So
yeah.
this is the height, and this, you know, that be the broadness of the width.
Oh, it's 70.
I know it's 70 at the height, sorry, and the broadness of this.
Okay. Yeah, man. I can't make it look away, you know. Yeah, so I'm get the tire, you know. I'm gonna go get it put on and thing. Well, good thing, buy it at the place and them put it on. Yeah, man, so she tired there now. Buy a new steering cover. I don't know if I don't like it. I somewhat like it. I buy this off a team, you know. And thing. Buy a new seat covering, but guess what going on? They did actually go up on the back seat. I don't know. Something with team, you have to read and understand the thing properly. It's suitable for a car with have 5 seats. So me think say would I get 2 front seat with it and the back seat. When I check a stack of those back seat, I have to force them to work on the front seat them, you know. Yeah, but you know too bad still. Car just want a little clean up and you know, freshen up. Change the tire.
How the front end run?
Front end car something go on there.
You want one of this?
What that? Oh.
Back end boot. Water, hope you like that. Make me straight. Something they want bust to, you know, look.
You're just standing on the cusp of what's okay and not morally gray, textbook insane. Now I'd like to draw this line you've crossed so many times. At this point I'm out of my mind. What's the point in loving someone morally confusing? It's not likely. You're so unlike me. I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. And I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand it. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold?